Hey everyone, in today's video, I want to introduce you to one of the most powerful indicators on TradingView that will absolutely blow your mind. With this indicator, you won't be among the 95% of retail traders who constantly get punished by big financial institutions and banks. Instead, with the new IC fair value gap strategy I'm about to present, you'll join the top 1% of traders who truly know what they're doing. You'll always be on the right side of the market and profit from dumb money. Before we dive in, if you're serious about trading and want to make a sustainable career out of it, you should definitely check out our money and risk management video. It covers proper position sizing and it's a game changer. Plus, don't miss our video on human factors in trading. These insights can transform even losing strategies into winners, no matter which approach you prefer. And while you're at it, make sure to explore our proven strategies. We've got everything from AI-powered techniques to classic old school methods. Don't miss out. Now, let's dive into the fair value gap on a Solana 5-minute time frame. Before we get into how to utilize the fair value gap indicator correctly, let's first understand what the fair value gap is. Fair value gaps are most commonly used among price action traders and are defined as instances where there are inefficiencies or imbalances in the market. These imbalances suggest that buying and selling are not equal. Fair value gaps are created within a 3-candle sequence and are commonly visualized on a chart as a large candle whose neighboring candles' upper and lower wicks do not fully overlap the large candle. Traders are interested in fair value gaps because the imbalances created by them can act as a magnet for price in the future. Just like any other indicator on the TradingView platform, you can add the fair value gap indicator to your chart by selecting it within the indicator search tab. I'll show you how to add it to your chart and what settings to use at the end of this video. For now, let's understand its key features. Let's start with these green rectangles. These shapes appear every time the market makes equal lows. Typically, retail traders place their stop losses for a buy position slightly below the level of support. Since big institutions and banks know this, they grab the liquidity formed at this level. When that happens, the indicator prints a green cross below the price. As soon as all these stop losses get triggered, market makers usually move the price up. This is where a bullish fair value gap and a shift in market structure occur. Often when such an imbalance is created, the market will test this level again. Traders, if you're enjoying the video, please give it a thumbs up to support us. And if you don't want to miss out on our future updates, lessons, free courses, and more, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. That way, you'll be among the first to know when we upload new content. On the other hand, when the price action makes equal highs, the indicator displays red rectangles on the chart. Many retail traders believe the market has reached its peak and start entering short positions around this area. Stop losses for these orders are typically placed slightly above the level of resistance. Big players see this and fill the liquidity void. When a liquidity grab for these sell orders happens, the indicator prints a red cross above the price. Once the majority of these buy orders are filled, market makers take the price in the opposite direction, creating bearish fair value gaps. Now, based on the information we've learned, let me show you how to outsmart the vast majority of retail traders. The rules for a buy trade are as follows. Wait for the market to form 2 equal lows. After these lows are formed, the indicator must print a green cross below the price, indicating a liquidity fill. A bullish ICT fair value gap must form with a shift in market structure. The price action must retest this level. When this happens, place a buy order at the close of the candlestick that retested the gap. Set the stop loss slightly below the most recent bullish fair value gap. The take profit target will be set at 2 times the risk, with the stop loss adjusted to break even once the market reaches a 1-to-1 risk reward. Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. For sell entries, do the opposite. Wait for the indicator to print 2 red rectangles and a red cross above the price. A bearish fair value gap must form with a shift in market structure to the downside. The price action must retest the fair value gap, which happens when the candlestick reaches the level and gets rejected. For short trades, position the stop loss slightly above the most recent bearish fair value gap. The take profit target will stay at 2 times the risk, and move the stop loss to break even once the market reaches a 1-to-1 risk reward. Here's another example of a short entry where all conditions were met and the take profit target was also triggered. Now let me show you how to install this indicator on your chart, but before that, elevate your trading game to new heights. Look no further than Funded Next, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. Trade up to $300,000 on a Funded Next account and earning up to 95 the profits. Sounds enticing, right? But that's just the beginning. With Funded Next, you're not just trading. You're paving your way to success alongside a community of over 81,000 funded traders spanning across 195 countries. What sets Funded Next apart? Let me break it down for you. Say goodbye to trading under pressure. With Funded Next, you trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game. With Funded Next, you get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Guaranteed payouts. Worried about when you'll get? Don't be. With our 24-hour payout guarantee, your earnings will hit your account within a day. And if we ever miss the mark, we'll top up your payout with an extra $1,000. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with Funded Next. First, log into TradingView and open the charts. Secondly, head over to the Indicator Search tab and type in ICTSM trades. And finally, select the indicator by MIA-JKY. By the way, the settings of this indicator work really well on all time frames and markets with high volume. You can use it for trading cryptocurrencies, forex, or futures. That's a wrap for today's video. If you're after tried and true strategies that our viewers love, be sure to check out the recommended videos on your screen. You're definitely in for a surprise. Happy trading.